Hello and welcome to the personal property tour for 12 Braehead in Cupar. This is a fantastic 3-bedroom semi-detached villa. You have your own private garden, front and back. You also have your private driveway and garage as well. It's a beautiful day here today, really sunny, so wait until you see the back garden because there is so much space and potential in the back garden of this property. So what I'm going to do is flip the camera and take you on the tour. Okay, so this is the front of your property. So this is your private driveway here with your garage at the end. This is then your private front garden that's the perfect size to maintain. And then this is the exterior. This property has had a new roof installed as well, which is just brilliant. And then you enter your property via this paved walkway straight into the front door. So I'm going to take you on the tour. So straight away, you walk into your really large entrance hallway. It's a brilliant space in here. You've got plenty of space. You could put some furniture, maybe a shoe rack, a shelving unit, a seating unit to obviously sit down and take your boots and shoes off. But it's a really good size entrance hallway. So we're going to start upstairs. Now this is brilliant, this property, for storage, which you'll see as we go through. So this is a split level landing. So on this level we have your large window, which lets in loads of light into the property. And then this cupboard here is actually a storage cupboard that goes a good way back and it's shelved. So you have, but that's the first point of storage in this property. Then we come up the last few steps and we have our 3 bedrooms. So we're going to start at this one here to our left. Just to give you an idea of the size of the room. So you would easily get a double or even a king in this room with your bedroom furniture. And then that is just a sneak peek at the back garden. As I was saying, it's a lovely day here today and you're going to love the back garden of this property. We're then going to go into the 2nd bedroom. So again, a really good size. Easily get a double bed within this room. So this property is like a blank canvas and you can almost come in and put your own stamp on it and obviously decorate it and renovate it as you wish to suit you, your family. And this is the 3rd room. So a great big window at the front, letting in loads of natural light, as you can see. And again, easily get a double bed into this room with still plenty of floor space. So that is your 3rd bedroom. Now we're back out into the hallway. So don't forget, that's your storage cupboard that is absolutely amazing. And there is another one that I'm going to show you. So you'll get an idea again for the size of the entrance hallway as we come down these stairs. It's really good size. Okay, and then we'll walk along. So this is another storage cupboard that is brilliant to kind of hide everything away in. Then you are at your family bathroom. So you have your electric shower above the bath, your bath, sink and your WC. Floor to ceiling tiles. And that is your family bathroom. Back into the hallway and then we are into our living room, our main reception room. It's a really good size, this room as well. And again, a lovely big window to let all the natural light in. And what I love is we've got the shelves in the alcoves there. So it's making the full use of that space. You can obviously add your ornaments, your decorations, and obviously make it your own. You then have this lovely fireplace as well, which is a great feature in your room. And then that is your main reception room. So it's a really good size. And as I say, it's a lovely day here today, sun shining in. And that is just another reminder of your front. And then we go through into your dining kitchen. So this is a great space. So you could easily get your dining furniture here. You could obviously, you've got good options here. You could either do a freestanding fridge freezer there. You've obviously got space for washing machine, tumble dryer, whatever you need to add, but you have plenty of space within this. You do have your integrated double oven, and obviously your hob just sitting there. But you've got a really good amount of space to play with within this kitchen. Easily get your dining furniture there. And it's great how you've got that cabinet on the side there. It's almost, you could use that as your utility space with it being separate. So that is your dining kitchen. Now the garden, which is a brilliant size, I'm going to take you out and show you. You'll hear the birds in a wee second as well. So just a reminder, you have your driveway, so this is it from this angle, so you'd easily get 2 or 3 cars along there, and then your garage, and then you either have steps this side that you can go up, or you can go along the side here. So we're going to go along this side, but there is so much potential within this garden, and look at it, the sun is shining and it is lovely. And the great thing is you are hardly overlooked in this property when you're in the back. So just to give you a full idea of the size, and then you have these really cute wee steps to walk up to, and then this is your garden space. So you've got a patio area here. You could easily get some garden furniture there, ready for the barbecues, family and socialising. I'm going to take you up to the top just to give you an idea of the size. So that is the rear of your property. It is such a good sized garden, and it goes all the way back there. So you could really make this into something amazing, this property. Especially with the sun shining today, it's just lovely. So just a reminder, this is 12 Braehead in Cupar. This is your 3-bedroom semi-detached villa with your own beautiful back garden and private parking and garage. You are in the location of Cupar, which is a really central location, easily commute with Dundee, Edinburgh, Kirkcaldy. You have all your local amenities within Cupar as well, that being pharmacists, butchers, shops. You have post office. You also have obviously the primary school. You have the award-winning Bell Baxter High School. You also have your bus links and train links as well. So this is a really, really great location with a brilliant home that you could obviously make your own. So this particular property is on the market for offers over 195,000. If it ticks all your boxes and appeals to you, then you can either message me directly here, or you can call the team on 01334 654 221. Have a great day. Take care. Sophie at 5 Properties TV.